Hey guys.
Hey guys.
We just pulled up at Piggly Wiggly.
Yeah.
I got a taste for some fried ribs today. Even though I'm on a diet. I just got a taste for some fried ribs. But we're gonna do a salad on the side. Come on, Jessica. Wanna hold my hand?
Yeah.
You got a warm hand?
Yeah.
Come on. Today, Piggly Wiggly, they have salad dressings on sale. We have salad dressing at home, but what kind of salad dressing, y'all? Ranch?
Yeah.
Well, we got ranch at home, I think. I might try some blue cheese today. Alright, this Piggly Wiggly bacon is 2 for $7. Originally $5.99. Alright, I found this slab of ribs. They're on sale $2.99 a pound. But this particular pack is $7.86. So, you done made it home. I got my chicken cut up and got these ribs cut up and rinsed. And these are the seasonings I'm going to use. I love garlic powder. Got accent, black pepper, Lawry's, this nature seasoning. I'm going to try. I went to one of my meat markets around, well, in Aiken, South Carolina. And the lady there told me to try this, said it been flying off the shelves. So we're going to try this. Mustard and hot sauce. Of course, Texas Pete. So I got the meat seasoned up. We're going to take these outside and cook them with the outside on the burner, the propane tank. But before we go outside and do that, I'm going to make a salad. Alright, so I finished making my salad. It has romaine lettuce hearts, cucumbers, tomatoes, red onions, eggs, turkey, and some bacon, real bacon crumbles. I try to eat a little, well, supposed to be eating healthy. Well, right now I am going on a weight loss journey. I'll do another video getting more into detail with that, but I have been approved to get gastric bypass surgery. Well, I'm getting the sleeve. So far, I think I went to the doctor 2-3 weeks ago, and I was down 25 pounds. I do have a surgery date of July 17th, but yeah, I have another appointment next week, so I'll know how much I lost so far. So this is the salad that go with this unhealthy fried ribs and chicken. All right, so I got Warren. Say hey, Warren. We about to light the propane tank. He always my assistant when we do this. Come on, you ready?
Yeah.
Watch out, Jessica. Move. No, Jessica, you need to move. Move. Hold on. Go in the house, watch Coco Melon. Come on. All right, come on. Girl, hush, go in the house. You can't come by this fire. It's still hot, and it's almost 9 o'clock at night. All right, let it go, Warren. See if he's good. All right. We'll turn it down a little bit. Okay, I just took the meat out the burner. Those are the ribs, and those are the chicken. That's the chicken. So now I'm going to go ahead and fix my kids a plate, and my cousins, they coming over to get something to eat too. So thanks for watching my video, and go ahead and hit a like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks. See you later.